In the rapidly evolving landscape of environmental monitoring, Zaire emerges as a pioneer, leveraging a decade of experience in crafting detection equipment and testing instruments. As a leading manufacturer, we are committed to delivering high-quality, high-performance solutions that cater to the dynamic needs of our clients. Our journey in the research, development, production, and sales of these essential tools has been marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence. Zaire's expertise extends beyond traditional boundaries, as evidenced by our strategic partnerships with major companies in the United States. These collaborations have enabled us to provide bespoke testing instrument solutions that address specific challenges and requirements. Our latest offering, the Smart Portable Air Quality Monitor, represents a paradigm shift in personal and professional environmental monitoring. This compact, intelligent device is designed to offer real-time insights into air quality, empowering users to make informed decisions about their health and environment. For businesses and organizations seeking to differentiate their product offerings, Zaire provides low-volume OEM customization services. This means that our Smart Portable Air Quality Monitor can be tailored to meet unique branding and functional needs, ensuring that your product stands out in a crowded market. Embracing the future of air quality monitoring has never been easier or more accessible. Zaire's OEM solution is your gateway to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. To explore how our Smart Portable Air Quality Monitor can elevate your product lineup, or to discuss customization options, please reach out to us immediately through the email on my profile page. Your journey to a smarter, healthier